Russia's Vladimir Putin on Wednesday lashed out at European leaders, deriding them as little pigs, and said Russia would achieve its territorial goals in Ukraine either through diplomacy or by military force. Speaking at an annual meeting with the Defense Ministry, Putin said the aims of what Moscow calls its special military operation would be met unconditionally. If they do not want a substantive discussion, he said, then Russia will liberate its historical lands on the battlefield. Putin claimed that the previous US administration had deliberately steered the situation towards an armed conflict, adding that Washington believed Russia could be weakened or even destroyed in a short period of time. He then lashed out at European leaders, accusing them of joining in with Joe Biden's administration. Europe's little pigs immediately joined in the work of the previous American administration, hoping to profit from the collapse of our country, Putin said. Putin has repeatedly insisted that Kyiv cede the remaining parts of the eastern Donbas region still under Ukrainian control, a demand that the White House has at times appeared to endorse, but which Ukraine has flatly rejected. Moscow has also pushed for strict limits on Ukraine's military, a ban on Western troops on Ukrainian territory, and an end to Western military support.